In this video, I'm going to be sharing my YouTube journey with you from the time I started my YouTube on to the time I got monetized, how long it took me to get monetized, the process of being monetized, and a few tips that helped me to get my requirement. Before you are even able to apply or get monetized and begin to earn money on YouTube, you need to have had 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you want to ask, how do YouTube determine my 4,000 hours in 1 year or in 12 months? Once you apply to be monetized, or from the period in which you have applied to be monetized, 12 months back or 1 year back, that is what will be your calculating period. It doesn't matter how long you've been on YouTube. If you've been on YouTube for, like, let's say you started YouTube 10 years ago and you've not met the requirement, even if there's 1 subscriber left, you're not going to be able to monetize your channel. And before you meet the requirements, you may not be able to apply for monetization, you will not be able to apply for monetization or anything that has to do with placing advert on your video. If you see anybody's video that has advertisements running on them, that means the person is getting something on the advertisement that is being placed on their video. You don't need to take a calculator and begin to calculate how long it's going to take you, or begin to divide your hours that you've gotten on your video. YouTube will do it for you when you go into your creator studio. So I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you on how it was for me before I got monetized and when I got monetized. From the time in which you're beginning to try to get monetized, you can use other applications like YouTube Tracker that will monitor your views and your subscription. But if you go to your creator studio, there is going to be this particular bar was also on this side, and it will begin to read and read and read until it gets to 1,000. So the moment, because I got my 1,000 subscribers before I got my views, so the moment I got my 1,000 subscribers, it went on check. Then you see this bar is still reading. So this bar is what is monitoring my views. That is 4,000 views required and 1,000 subscribers required. So I've made the 1,000 subscribers here, but I've not gotten my views here. So it is showing that I had 3,872 public watch hours, just left with less than 200 for me to have my 4,000 hours. So this was what my screen was looking like when you go to the creator studio. They said, we'll send you a verification email once you're eligible. For me, I never got a mail from YouTube telling me congratulations, you've been monetized, or congratulations, you're eligible to monetize. But I knew the moment I was eligible, because I kept looking at my creator studio, I kept watching, I was constantly monitoring my growth. So I didn't even need the email. I never got the email, but it didn't stop anything. I've been on YouTube for a very long time, but I started uploading video sometime 10 months ago, and I uploaded my first video. After uploading those videos I had on my phone, I uploaded them on my YouTube channel, and I went missing. I mean it. I went missing for 5 good months. 5 months of not posting, 5 months of not doing anything on YouTube. I was only watching other YouTubers. Within that 5 months, I was not having enough courage to share my video with even my family or my friends. So I had no subscribers. Nobody knew I was on YouTube until January 2020, when I decided to make a New Year video, which was very short. I just uploaded it on my YouTube channel, and I felt, let me give it a try. I told my family about my channel, that I have a channel and I'm beginning to make videos. Then I started sharing it on my social media, especially on my Facebook page, where I have a lot of friends. The moment I uploaded my video and I was able to share it in February, by the time I was checking again, I already had 100 subscribers. So in February 8, 2020, after I told you the first one I uploaded was in January, it was not a serious video. Those videos, in fact, they were almost meaningless. That's why I always say, start your YouTube channel whatever way, with whatever video, give it a try, and you begin to become an expert. So in February 8th, I was already having 100 subscribers. Of course, these subscribers are from either my friend, my loved ones, or my followers on Facebook. And in May 30th, I had already gotten my 1,000 subscribers, which is it was very exciting to see. This is TubeBuddy, because I'm a partner, affiliated partner with them. I got TubeBuddy, which monitors my growth and helps me to create my videos. Once I met the requirement and I was able to be monetized, of course, I told you I never received an email. Some people say they do receive email, but for me, I was checking and I saw it in my creator studio that I was eligible to apply. So I automatically had this screen, which is beginning to tell me I had to follow these 3 simple steps. It just takes a few minutes. For me, it was very fast. People say it takes them sometimes a week, a month, and it varies for them to be reviewed and accepted. But for me, it was less than 12 hours. I started by Once you go to monetization, go to your creator studio, go to monetization, you see this sign, this dollar sign, then you need to follow these 3 steps. The first step is to review partner program terms. So it's just telling you, when you click it, it's just telling you the rules and regulations, the terms and conditions you need to follow, things, how you need to behave as a YouTuber and as a YouTube partner. So once you click agree and accept to the terms and conditions, you'll be able to go to step 2. It goes there automatically. Then once you're done, it tells you you're on your way to becoming a YouTube partner. You have accepted the YouTube program terms and conditions. That means you've accepted to follow the rules and regulations. Then you go to the step 2. Step 2 is to sign up for your Google account. Sign up for Google AdSense. This part is very important because it is signing up to this that will help YouTube to place advertisement in between your videos or at the beginning or the end of your videos. If you do not approve this, that means you're never going to get monetized on YouTube. If you do this, you're linking your YouTube account to your Google account. So just click it, then you see just a little step. You have to fill in your detail, your house address, and other few information you need to fill up there. Once it's done, then they say you're successfully linked. Some people get confused there because they ask, which website should I place? Because they usually ask for you to put your website link. Just go to your YouTube account, go to YouTube, open your own YouTube channel and copy your channel link, paste it there, and that is all you need there. Submit it and they will put it on review. As I submitted this, I went to bed, and in the middle of the night, of course, your girl is anxious, wanting to know what's happening, and I checked and I saw that I've been approved. So then I went to the next step, said get reviewed. Getting review, that means when YouTube will now go into your video to check your content, see what you're creating, what you talk about. Does it follow the YouTube rules and regulation? Does it follow the principle? That's, you're not breaking the rule, you're not posting something that is new, you're not swearing, you're not using vague word. Once you're good to go, then you're going to be checked. So once I was checked, bam, I was ready to be monetized. And then you have to go to your creator studio and go to upload default. Upload default is where you are able to put in things that should go with all your videos, though you can still make some adjustment, but it will just make life easy for you. Then go to monetization. Under monetization, you see all these checks. They were not initially checked. I was the one that checked them. Display ad automatically. Of course, you want to make money, so you want your video to have advertisement, you check it. This overlay advertisement, that is when a little strip advert just come over your video. Sponsored card, skippable video advertisement. This is when you see a small box at the front of advertisement that is playing, and it tells you 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds for you to be able to skip. So those are the videos you can skip, and non-skippable is where your viewer unfortunately have to watch all your advertisements before they get to your video. You check all and go to save. For me, I've already done it, so I'll just close. Then once you're finished, you go to your monetization. Go to your monetization. Under monetization, here you can see also say once your channel is approved for monetization, advertiser can start running ad on them. So you can just learn more here, and you can see set the type of advertisements you want to run on your video here. When you just go to monetization setting for future videos, and does the same thing, the monetized ad, overlay ad, skippable, non-skippable, sponsored card, automatic mid-roll. Automatic mid-roll are those adverts that are in between the videos. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, initially YouTube said if your video is less than 10 minutes, you cannot place advertisements in between. So you see YouTubers trying to create videos that are 10 minutes and above. But right now, from this 27th of July, that means from the time you're watching this particular video, if your video is up to 8 minutes long, you can place adverts in between, just like a 10 minutes video. That means, yeah, so make that extra cash. And once you're an open profile, say I want to increase, just read all that, and I want to increase my monetization potential with mid-roll ad automatically. Placement can be manually adjusted later. That's what I'm going to click, or you can decide to place those advertisements individually, then you save. So that is it with the adverts. And you see the joy you get when adverts start rolling in between your video is wonderful. Yes, the moment I opened my channel and I saw adverts, I was excited. One more thing I'll tell you is to look out for on all your videos. Once you go to your creator studio, under videos you see your videos will pop up. Then you see visibility, you see monetization. Under monetization, you want to make sure all your videos are on, all the monetization are on, except you don't want money on that particular video for whatever reason, I don't know. So either you on it or you off it. Then go to all your other videos and just do the same. And people used to ask, can I make money on my old video, the video I've uploaded before I became monetized? The answer is yes, but you're not going to get paid for the view you've already had. You're not going to get paid for your 4,000 watch hour. No, that is gone. That's just for YouTube test run. But the moment you get monetized, go to those videos, put on monetization, place your advertisement as you want, and from that moment on, you begin to have adverts on them and you begin to make money from then forth. So yes, you can place ad on your old videos, even if it is 10 years ago, and just get it done. In case you have on your monetization, you see this dollar sign is showing yellow. It can be either you've had a strike or for some reason something is wrong with the video. Check it. It's either you have copyright strike, you might have used somebody else's video or somebody else's music. If either you remove the music, remove the video, or if you think you've not done anything wrong, once you click it, there's a place for you to send it to YouTube for someone to personally review the video. I had it on my video when I got monetized, and I knew that video I have not done anything wrong. It was a hand washing video and it was my content 100%. So all I did was I just sent it to YouTube and they reviewed it. It's very easy, just click on it. You take action, send it to YouTube, and the next day they reviewed it and it changed from yellow to green, and I was able to monetize that video. So that's all you need to do about your monetization. Tips I'm going to give you to be able to achieve that 1,000 subscribers and to have your required 4,000 watch hour view is be consistent on your channel. Don't post a video and go missing. Imagine I had not gone missing for 5 months from the beginning of my video. By now, maybe I would have been all over there. But yes, it is not too late. Be consistent on your channel. Post videos at your own convenience, but don't give too much space. Watch other YouTubers' content to improve yourself. If you look at my first videos and what I'm producing now, you're going to see the difference, because I spend hours, nights, day on other people's channels saying how they improve, how their lighting is, their camera they've used. You don't need to have a camera, even your phone, the lighting, the audio quality. Just improve yourself one way or the other. Don't just remain where you are. And comment on other YouTubers' video. Comment. Don't be a hater. Don't hate on people. Don't be jealous. Even if you're jealous, it should be to a positive effect that it will encourage you to be better. Encourage other YouTubers. Comment on their video constructively. When people see your comment, it may pull them to your own channel, and they will become, you will turn your view to subscribers. But remember not to spam people's videos. Some people will come onto your channel and say, please subscribe to me, I've watched your video, you should go and subscribe to me. No, you don't earn subscriptions. You work for them. People will be convinced that what you're doing, and they're going to love you and going to subscribe to you. They want to watch you. Don't go on people's channel and begin to spam their video with subscribe to me, I've just started yesterday, please subscribe back. It is spamming, and YouTube you can get reported for that, and you're going to affect your channel. Ask your viewers or your audience or subscriber, ask them what they want to watch. If you're meeting the need of your audience, it will pull them to want to subscribe to you because they don't want to miss any of your video. Remind your audience to subscribe to you. Like I'm going to say now, please, in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button, the red button down below. Once it is red, it is not subscribed, or if it's changed from red, that means you're subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell them, remind them. People, it's not like they don't want to subscribe to you, but they just don't know they're supposed to subscribe to you. They're not YouTubers like you. They don't know how important it is to subscribe. They know how important it is to press the like button. Even sometimes to get hate, to get thumb down, they don't intend to do it. They just don't understand. Some people mistakenly press it. So remind them to like, thumbs up, to subscribe, press the red button, to comment, to ask questions. So engage your audience who have dedicated their time to subscribe to you, to watch you, to support you, respond to their comments. I know once you become a very popular YouTuber, you're not able to reply all the comments, but something as small as a like, a thumbs up, or a love will go a long way, especially for a small YouTuber. I remember the first time I had a love from one YouTuber I love so much. I was watching her video, I made a comment, and she responded with a love. God, I felt like she was talking to me one-on-one. I felt like she noticed me. So I'm like, oh, she noticed me. I felt very happy. So imagine how happy your subscriber would be that you're talking to them, you're responding to them, and you're building the community that is going to help you to grow so much. Try to produce educative, informative, or entertaining content. Don't just produce random things that is of no use to anybody that you think people will want to watch. People will not want to watch if they're not going to gain either entertainment, information, or education. Lastly, I would say share your video link on all your platform, your YouTube platform, Instagram, Twitter, whatever platform you've got. Share your video with them, and from there you begin to get noticed. Gradually you will grow on YouTube, and I tell you, you're going to get that 1,000 subscriptions, and you're going to get the 4,000 hour before you know it. Consistency, determination is the key. Originality is the key. If you like my video, you like my content, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell below. Thank you and enjoy. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, bye.